Xerox makes the decision to donate a set of machines to Stanford and several other universities. And that donation is transformative. It's transformative because everybody gets a vision of where computing needs to go. And while those machines were probably way too expensive to duplicate for every individual person, they're a vision of what might be possible in the near future. And lots of us begin thinking about how could you use the emerging microprocessor industry and other things to dramatically cost reduce and make more powerful these computing. Well, we've simplified the design, we've made the instruction set simpler, we've made it easier for the hardware to interpret it by lowering it and letting compiler do a little more of the work. But we don't have a good scientific explanation of what's happening. And that, in retrospect, that's one of the reasons that there are some naysayers out there. We've had a debate at several points with my colleagues at both here at Stanford and at Google, whether or not this breakthrough in artificial intelligence would have more impact eventually than the internet. And people are on both sides of it. I think it will at least be as big. I look forward to the day when we have full self-driving cars everywhere. 1 million people are killed on the roads every day. We can lower that number dramatically. We can't take it to zero, but can probably take it down by a factor of 10,000. As we track lots more health data, predicting odds of getting cancer and knowing that you should have certain tests or you should avoid certain things which might induce that cancer and an epigenetic effect. I think we'll see a lot of progress around that will improve human health and help us live better, happier lives. You need that application driver, you need the big data, you need the computational resources. But when you take that concept, when you take an approach, an algorithm, to the reality of actually having real data and test it with a real application, that's where you see how strong the insight and the algorithms and the invention is.